Have any advices for people that are kind of stuck in a situationship?
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Okay guys, dahil malapit na Valentine's.
Let's go around campus, guys. Valentine's is close. What's your status?
Single. Single.
What's your go-to excuse when people ask why you're single?
Study first.
What's the most ridiculous thing you've done just because you were bored and single?
Nabaliw na lang ako sa mga celebrity. I watch TikTok edits of people. Sobrang single.
If you had to marry a fictional character, who would it be and why?
Kiefer Watson.
Good choice, guys. Good choice.
Ano ka Disney princess?
Single tayo lahat. We got some roses for you guys.
So here we have Spotify playlist Kojun. You guys can listen to, you know.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's. Malapit na ang Valentine's. Kunti pa lang ng Valentine's decoration sila.
Moving on to cards, guys. Let's go.
Okay guys, we're here in CAD. Let's go find some people.
Hindi naman.
Valentine's is coming up. But, what's your status?
Having a baby.
Oh!
Yes. This May.
Let me ask nga pala, if you were to describe your relationship in a movie title.
High school sweethearts lang. Okay. That's a good choice, guys.
Is dahil malapit na Valentine's, we have a special day for you.
This is for your special someone.
We need to fill this place with love.
Let's interview them.
Since it's Valentine's Day, your relationship statuses are?
Well, talking stage.
How many talking stages?
Ako na mag-direct lang. Single.
How long yung talking stage?
Kaka-meet ko lang kahapon. Pinakabago eh.
Red flag ba yung kausap mo?
Red flag yun, medyo green flag eh.
Bakit ba?
Christ-like.
Nung natin course eh, ba't puro review ka lang ngayon?
Computer science.
Nako, guys.
Since nakafocus tayo sa self natin ngayon, what's a personal goal that you are working on right now?
Expanding my business.
Business-minded, guys.
Buti na lang may mga playlist tayo na bagay.
Buti pa yung Spotify may latest, sana kayo. Ito, review ng review, komsay. Bagay ito sa kanya guys.
Guys, since independent, business-minded.
Happy Valentine's guys. Tara punta tayo SK guys. The mood na for Valentine's.
Ang ganda ng decorations.
Hindi ako on the mood. Since Valentine's is near, what's your relationship status?
Very official.
What kind of relationship advice to a couple that is starting out?
Communication is key. Very important that your partner is always updated.
Always have to be intentional.
Ano yung advice mo sa malasalyan sa atin dyan?
Shoot your shot. Life is short. Shoot your shot.
Dahil magpa-Valentine's na tayo. Happy Valentine's.
Diba?
Thank you.
Ba yung nadala ng roses natin? Yung tanong, ready na ba kayo sa Valentine's?
Just ready na. I'm in love eh. So.
Accepted na eh.
Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Sa bahay lang ako.
Yung nga guys. So yun nga guys, comment down below where to next. From JLSU to where.
Ganda mo maglakad ba?
Bagong content naman. Yung content.
Happy Valentine's guys. Don't
Happy
forget to
Valentine's
listen to
Day.
Spotify's playlist.
Bye-bye.